Imagine this. You're driving along enjoying the scenery when suddenly a red light flashes on your dashboard, the dreaded temperature warning light. This little light is your car's way of saying, "Help, I'm overheating." Ignoring this warning is like ignoring a fire alarm. Dangerous and potentially disastrous. Your car's engine generates a lot of heat, and if it gets too hot, it can lead to serious damage. That's why it's crucial to understand what this warning light means and what to do when it pops up. Think of it as your car's way of communicating with you, and just like any good relationship, communication is key. Now that you know how important the temperature warning light is, let's dive into what might be causing it to turn on. One of the most common culprits is low coolant. Coolant, a mixture of water and antifreeze, plays a vital role in regulating your engine's temperature. If the coolant level is low, your engine won't be able to cool down effectively. Another possibility is a malfunctioning thermostat. The thermostat acts like a valve, controlling the flow of coolant through the engine. If it gets stuck, it can disrupt the coolant flow and lead to overheating. Radiator problems, such as a leak or blockage, can also trigger the warning light. The radiator is responsible for dissipating heat from the coolant, and any issues with it can compromise the cooling system. The good news is that many overheating problems can be avoided with some simple preventive measures. Just like visiting the doctor for regular checkups, your car needs regular maintenance too. Make it a habit to check your coolant levels regularly. Most cars have a transparent coolant reservoir with minimum and maximum markings. If the level is below the minimum, it's time to top it up. Don't forget to inspect your hoses and belts for any signs of wear and tear, such as cracks or fraying. These components play a crucial role in the cooling system, and any damage can lead to leaks and overheating. Despite your best efforts, there might be times when your engine overheats. In such situations, it's crucial to stay calm and follow these steps. First and foremost, pull over to a safe location as soon as possible. Turn off the engine to prevent further damage. Do not attempt to open the hood immediately, as the heat can cause severe burns. Wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes for the engine to cool down completely. Once it's safe, check the coolant level. If it's low, carefully add more coolant to the reservoir. However, if you notice any leaks or if the engine overheats again, it's best to call for roadside assistance. Remember, safety first.